bigger than the program. Nope. Bitch, she ain't bigger than the program. Bitch, she ain't bigger than the program. Bitch, she ain't bigger than the program. And that's something we need to remember.
You want your chicken? What about this young man? You eating anything with me or you only vegetarian?
Yeah, nah, I'm coming. Hold on.
Okay.
This how it's gonna look with the gloss and the pearls and shit. Oh my goodness, bro. Wait till the fucking, not like meat, but like the little fucking party that he be having for his birthday here. This whole shit gonna be packed out. Everything gonna be gone. It's gonna be straight cars, donuts, straight E30s, in performance vehicles, everything. It's everything. Everything gonna be here. Watch. Just everything. Like, and that shit like November 1st. So November 1st, content will be coming. Word of bro. November 1st gonna be lit. Good eats. Very trendy food. Jerk chicken. Got the drink. My nigga Jesse just got the drink for myself, but W mans. W fucking mans. But this nigga want me to take him. My bad, you, but y'all can't even see me. All type of shit. This nigga want me to take him to the fucking Hiram and shit. Douglas will pick up his car. I don't know what the fuck. I'm gonna take his ass though. What's wrong with him? Alright, I'm gonna get to y'all. Good eats, chat. Why the fuck am I saying chat, nigga? I ain't streaming yet. Good eats though, little bro. You know we had to come back to back one time. I had to go drop this nigga off to go pick his shit up after getting an alignment. I'm about to take my shit up there probably tomorrow, nigga. I need a mean alignment, nigga. But yeah, just back to back cruising with this old school behind us. My bad, I seen the boys. I had to put the camera down real quick. I seen the boys, but yeah, nigga, I'll catch y'all back at the shop, man. It's just a chill day, nothing going on. This shit look like a fucking 4 series or not. I think this is a 3 series or a 5 series. This shit turbo, nigga. Oh my god. You hear that? I don't want to do a video right now, bro, but I'm sitting here in the middle of the fucking road like a fucking square. Car broke down right here, nigga. I think it fucking sounds like the transmission. Go around. It's gotta be the fucking transmission. Got to the car, nigga, they put me right here. Hold up. I swear it's like every video y'all see this same tow truck and this same nigga, bro. Every fucking time. Every fucking video, bro. Never failed. I took a fucking video of the fucking axle last night when I parked it up here. That shit is off. Like, I'm gonna throw it like this shit. Like, y'all gonna see that clip before this one, but I'm just saying, like, that shit all the way off, bro. Y'all gonna see what the fuck I'm talking about before I'm even saying it right now, bro. My fucking, bro, I'm trying to get up like 2 minutes ago so I can come here. My cat scratched the fuck out of me, bro. Like, don't want to get the fuck up, bro. bitch like you see I'm getting up. Like you see I'm getting up. Oh my God. I'm about to see her at the shop in like 5 minutes.
What you mean I'm here?
Not even like 15 for me. 3 for y'all. Not even 1 second for y'all. Huh? I don't know how that happened. There ain't no flashlight?
No.
Oh. Yeah, every boat, you see?
So now you gotta see if the threads in, yeah, they look good.
Hang on.
Mm-hmm. It is supposed to have like a piece in between.
Yeah, this right here. If that's still there, then yeah, that's still there.
Yeah.
Yeah, right there.
1, 2.
Maybe I'll pull it up.
Here, look. Show here, though. Oh no, they fit in inside.
Yeah, they fit in between that.
It would even as soon as I turned the corner, it said it just started rattling, and then I like heard like the axle. I'm like, that's the axle sound. So then when I stopped and then I tried to step on the gas again, it did it more faster.
Yeah, right.
So then that was the axle. So then I just pushed it out the road by myself. It looked like it ate through the threads, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna front, cause some of these boats, I don't know where the fuck Blue put, oh, he put them right here. Some of these boats is ate through, some of them is not, you see what I'm saying? Like, some of them unthreaded. No, let me see if I can show you. See, like, bitches unthreaded like fuck. Like, this one didn't, though. Got some more at the house. I'm gonna go to the house, get them shits, come back, put them on, but yeah, it's like it unthreaded the bolts, bro. It's not one thing, it's something else. This one's still good, though. This one's still good, but nah, that shit threaded this one too. What the fuck happened though? Like, look. All that pressure, wobbling, all that bullshit. I'm gonna get an appointment tomorrow too. That's what's crazy. Shit, spat axle grease everywhere. Like everywhere. And then it looked like it spat axle grease right here too. But it's like, is this axle? Yeah, that's axle grease. So did it come from this axle or what, bro? Like, what's going on now? Like, I'm really getting lost. Like, no front, I'm getting lost. Oh. Like, no front, I'm getting lost. Let's see what the fuck going on right here. Okay, this is the same axle grease from the other day, but you see, like, this new, am I tripping, bro? I'm not even showing y'all niggas. Straight axle grease. Axle grease. Axle grease. Axle grease. The fuck? Yeah, nigga. I'm gonna go to the house, get the extra bolts I have for this side. Cause it came with 2 axles, I just didn't put that one on. And then put them bolts on this side. But I don't know what the fuck happened, bro. Like something's off. Like something's really off. And I got the light on and shit. Just secured the package. Yeah, I'm about to head back over there after I roll up a Donwood, go pick up my shorty, bring her to work, and yeah, I'll catch her back at the shop. Just got back to the shop. About to throw these bitches on. Give y'all one more look. Last look before I do this shit. Hopefully this is the problem. It looks like it's the problem. If this shit don't, you know what I'm saying? Cause where the fuck the flashlight go? That's what I about to say? I can't even show y'all, but it's supposed to be, it's in there, but you know what I'm saying? Like, it look like it's, I don't know. Tighten it up and see what the fuck going on, bro. Yo, so I tightened them shits down, but everything super tight without fucking with the shifter. Left it in park and just spin the wheel forcefully. But I'm trying to find the sockets for these bitches and I cannot find them. I found two of them, but these bitches is not the right size. It's a small one, and then this is like a little bit bigger. Like, no, this is a tiny one, and then this, you know what I'm saying? I need like one a little bit bigger than this one, but I don't know where the fuck that shit went through. Like, I don't fucking know. Can't find that bitch in no drawer, no nothing. Then I can't even ask this nigga Justin because that nigga out of town. He won't be back to Sunday, and it's fucking Thursday. So I'm doing this shit by myself, nigga. Like always. But I don't think I'm gonna be able to tighten that side. I ain't gonna lie, because I cannot find that bitch. If I can't find it, I ain't gonna tighten it. Ain't that how it go? But I want to, though. I want to tighten that bitch though. But if I can't find it, I can't tighten it. If I can't find it, I can't tighten it. It's supposed to be in here, though. Let me check this nigga Mark there. Mark is touching stuff. I can't even see that car. So you actually got a sneak peek of a masterpiece. I think I showed y'all last video though, but nah, I think it's in this video. I said last video. I think I showed y'all in this video, but this shit done now, bro. Y'all can't see the masterpiece though. Oop, oh shit! I'll show y'all again. Oops, my bad. Oops, oh shit, oh shit. Oops, got him. Bro, where the fuck? I'm gonna just take it off the lift and see if the bitch drives straight, bro. Cause I cannot find that bitch. And I'm getting bit by mosquitoes and shit. Like, I just started it up, but I'm up. Huh? Yeah. I'm on the sea right now.
It locks the socket, seals it, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So you don't be free to just turn.
Exactly what it was, the axle. Exactly what it was. Ain't that some bullshit, bro? Like, if it's not one thing, it's something else. Definitely was the wish I was recording or fucking had my shorty recording. That shit said, I turned that corner, it was over with, gang. Bro, this Mustang coming back here fucking this shit up. I literally just seen him turn in. Them fat ass D-lock wheels on that shit. This shit feel way better. I'ma still check the other shit too. Smoother. Way smoother. Smoothier and shit. Oh God, I'm going custom exhaust. I already know I'm going 3-inch. And then I might just throw an ISR on the back. Or I might just customize that bitch too though. The meat on the back. Everything tight, bro. Cause this shit crazy. Cause this is the shit that got loose the other day. Now it was the fucking axle. So it was both of them that was loose. No way, bro. If you don't know where to jack on a fucking BMW or old school BMW, look for this point right here. It's a jack point. Any BMW, any car, it's a jack point right here. Every car. So if you jack up the wrong spot, that's your dumb ass fault. It's not hard, bro. It's on there. You was on there, huh? I did want to lower the coilovers. I should have lowered. I did want to lower them. But I think I left the thing. Oh. If you don't know how to work on your car, just learn. Like, this is like a real like what do I call it? Like a real life lesson, real life advice, bro. Just learn, bro. Like, cause if you don't learn how to work on your own fucking vehicle, you're gonna be stranded for weeks, months, and days on, bro. Waiting for a fucking mechanic to fix one of your shit when he got 30 other cars to work on. Learn your own vehicle and work on it. I got my shit back up and running in less than 24 hours. Shit happened 12 o'clock last night, finished around 3 p.m. the next day. See what I'm saying? Just learn.